I'm sacrificing my queen on each one of these games just for y'all to know. I'm playing only bullet. Let's get to it. Let's do this. Is everything going well? All right, cool. Okay, cool. I'm sacrificing the queen on every one of these games. Let's get started. Let me see. What are we doing here? I don't know what we're doing here. Maybe I should do like a challenge next time, but it is what it is. Let's do something like that. I don't know. Let's keep it solid. Keep it solid. Maybe we can do some. Actually, we can take that. Take that twice. We could take that twice. We still got 41 seconds too. My internet is faster than before. It's faster than before, if you haven't noticed. All right. H1 was banned today for being too sus. Dang, Tyler, that sucks. Sean the Michael the Sabrina. Okay. Let's do this. Let's check. I probably should have captured. Nope. Let's do that. Let's do this. Okay. All right. Got that. Got that. Got that. Okay, cool. All right. There we go. I needed that. Okay, good game. Everything is flowing smoothly. I need some more challenges. I'm sacrificing my queen with every single game that I play. Probably somebody's gonna beat me eventually. I'm probably gonna cap it at like 1500. Probably gonna cap it at like 1500. I'm gonna have to like, I'm noticing now I'm probably gonna have to get another monitor to see the chat, what it's doing. Don't respond. There we go. Let's put that right there. Let's just move pieces around. Nothing too important is going on right now. All right, actually, I'm gonna have to capture that. This is a terrible position. I probably should have put the bishop right there. I'm attacking that bishop. Trying to figure out something. I don't know what else to do. And I'm low on time. Oh no, 2 bad combinations at once. Why am I thinking? Okay. Okay, we put the knight right there. Or, snap. No! This is just lost. Just put the, okay. Yep. So ugly. Okay. Yep. Nah, good game. All right, and plus, make these unrated, guys. Come on, y'all know better. Y'all see the title. Make these unrated. make these unrated. Dang, y'all see the title. I'm just having fun. Clearly, I'm just having fun. Clearly, I don't know why y'all doing this to me. Okay, let me see. What's going on here? What are y'all gonna do next? Yeah, Jamie. Hey, you did a good job, man. This dude. Yeah, you slowed me down, which was really good. You slowed me down. Now I'm playing my double fianchetto. Ah, crap. That's just a free pawn. Okay. Just move that. Ah, crap. Okay. Nope. Okay. Can just push that pawn up now. Mm-hmm. Not the best position. I mean, I'm literally missing a queen, but it is what it is. I still have to play fast. I still got to do what I got to do. As H1, of course. I got an extra pawn. Oh, okay. Got to check. I'm checking their king. They got 20 seconds left. Yep. Free knight. What else are we doing? I want this move. Yep, we got this move. We got the move that I wanted. We're just going to keep the pieces just tight and just figure out what our opponent wants to do here. Mm-hmm. If we can get their queen, that would be an awesome thing to do. Okay, there we go. We're close. We're close to victory on the position. Okay, there we go. Good game. All right, let's keep on going at it. Ah, crap. I'm still going to sacrifice my queen. I don't really care. All right. This is the main focus of the... Yeah, you see the title. You see the title. Just going to make sure I ruin his castle, though. I don't care what rating you are. You're not going to beat me. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, let's keep it closed. This is already ugly. Let's push up that pawn. Okay, we're covering it. Mm-hmm. What's going on? Oh, hey, that looks pretty funny, don't it? I'm just trying to make sure I do everything correctly, though. Wait a minute. Oh, no, let's just do it. Mm-hmm. This is my only option. That is a free queen. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, crap. If I was going a little bit faster, I think I could have pulled this off. Oh, come on. With the sneaky attacks, even though I was almost going to win. Bro, for real. Bro, what are y'all saying? Y'all see, everybody's seen that. Broki's seen it. Who else seen it? TJ. I was winning in that position. He came in here with the quickie attacks. I don't even know what that means. I don't even know what that is. Like, what was that? Bro, shut off the music. Shut off the music. Nah, we're not doing this. Let me see. Shut off the music. All right. Y'all seen that. Let's keep on playing. Let's keep on playing. Okay, let me chill out. Let me chill out. Okay, how are we gonna sacrifice this queen now? Okay, wait a minute. I don't even know why you got in here. You know he was gonna just demolish me. Oh, wait a minute. I can't trade pieces. I know that much. All right. This 1000 rated person is doing a pretty good job of trying to trade pieces, but they don't know that I don't mind getting a draw at all. I don't mind it. So Let me see. That's okay. That's what I was trying to avoid. All right. Let's give up that knight. All right. Dang it. What are we trying to do here? Let's do that. Why am I down 10 seconds? I need to play faster. All right. There we go. Get some material in here. Finally. Okay. Protect that. You could just sacrifice right there if you wanted to. Okay. I'm just gonna move the pieces around. I'm gonna figure out what our opponent wants to do. Wants to attack me. That's what he wants to do. That was, whoop. Up. Up. Ah. Oh, that was just, oh my goodness. You know better, all right? There we go. Good game. Getting pumped up. Let's go. Is everything still looking good? All right, cool. Let's get it.